guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to cook real Jamaican French fried chicken. So the first thing that I'll be doing really is to clean my chicken. I don't like the skin on my chicken, so I usually remove the skin. So I'll just do that first. So now if you realize I removed the skin from my chicken, and I have 8 chicken thighs because that's my favorite part of the chicken. I'm now going to sprinkle a little vinegar just to remove the slime from the chicken. And then I'm going to just mix everything together. The vinegar really just removes that excess slime from the chicken. And then I'm going to just basically rinse with water once more. Water out. Try and drain it as much as possible because you don't want that excess water when you're ready to fry your chicken. And this is my favorite part, guys. Now I'm going to season my chicken. I use Dunn's River all-purpose seasoning. It's really good. I recommend it. If you don't have it, it's really fine, but I really recommend this seasoning. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of that seasoning. Remember, it's just 8 chicken thighs, so this should definitely be enough for it. And then I'm just going to use a pinch of salt because the all-purpose seasoning, it has salt, so I really just need just a pinch of salt. So now I have a 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon ginger, and I'll be using 1/2 teaspoon coriander. And I'm going to mix these together and I'll just pour it on my chicken. Now mix these together. And of course, you know, the garlic is really good for your chicken because it's like gives it flavor. Just mixing it nicely together. Guys, this is my favorite part of the chicken. I really love chicken thigh. Guys, I'm also just sprinkling just a little black pepper to just add to the taste of the chicken. You don't have to put a lot, just a little. I love the smell that's coming from this chicken already. It's great, guys. It's amazing. Smell that flavor. Garlic and seasoning. It's just great, guys. Now I'm going to just sprinkle just a little Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper sauce into my chicken because I don't have any, you know, chili pepper at the moment. So I'm just using this to just add to the flavor of the chicken. It's like spicy French fried chicken. Just mix it nicely together. Now it's time to marinate the chicken for an hour in the fridge, and I'll do that now. Too bad. this is how I make my French fried chicken. Why not try out my recipe? Please don't forget to click that subscribe button, like and share my video. Thanks for watching.